Ever wondered why you feel completely drained after sex? Like someone pulled the plug and all your strength just vanished? You're not alone, especially if you're over 50. Most men think, maybe I'm just getting old, but that's not really it. What's happening inside your body after intimacy is a lot like finishing a workout, but more intense and draining. During sex, your body undergoes rapid heart rate, muscle contractions, heavy breathing, a dopamine spike, and a testosterone drop after release. This sudden shift causes a mini energy crisis. Electrolytes and blood sugar drop, muscles stiffen, and your nervous system slows to recover. That's why many men feel tired, weak, or moody. Most guys mistakenly grab sugary drinks or coffee for energy. But that only causes another crash. There's a simple, natural way to restore energy, balance hormones, and recover like you're 20 again. It's not a supplement or a pill. It's something you probably already have in your kitchen. Hi, I'm Dr. Amelia Hayes, a board-certified urologist. For over 15 years, I've helped men naturally restore energy, circulation, and confidence. No gimmicks, just science and smart nutrition. Today, I'll show you one research-backed food that helps men recover faster, supports testosterone, and keeps blood flowing strong. What I reveal at the end will surprise you. Stay with me, it might change your recovery forever. Let's break this down, because understanding your body after sex will make everything clear. When intimate, your body works hard. Your heart rate and blood pressure climb. Muscles contract throughout your body. It's a full body event, fueled by oxygen, electrolytes, and muscle glycogen. Afterward, glycogen stores drop, your nervous system shifts, and testosterone levels dip temporarily. That's why you feel heavy, sleepy, or emotionally flat. Your body needs to refuel. Think of it like a marathon. If you don't eat or hydrate after, you'll be wiped out for hours. The same applies after intimacy. Your body needs nutrients to repair muscle tissue, rebalance hormones, and restore circulation. Most men over 50 don't realize recovery slows dramatically with age. Your body doesn't bounce back as fast. Circulation weakens, testosterone declines, and inflammation builds. The 30 to 60-minute post-activity window is crucial. That's when your body is most sensitive. Junk food or caffeine will only make you feel worse. But the right fuel helps you recover faster, boost stamina, and support long-term hormone balance. The secret recovery fuel isn't protein powder or an expensive supplement. It's a simple, creamy fruit most people underestimate. Stay with me. Next, I'll reveal what it is and why it restores energy, circulation, and confidence better than anything else. All right, here it is. The recovery food I recommend to nearly every man over 50 in my clinic is avocado. Yes, that's mood. Green fruit you slice on toast. It's powerful for post-intimacy recovery, working on multiple levels. Avocado is packed with healthy monounsaturated fats, like premium oil for your body's engine. These fats help hormones, especially testosterone, function properly. Your body needs the right fats to produce sex hormones and keep cells healthy. Avocado contains more potassium than a banana, which regulates muscle contractions and blood flow. It prevents cramps, restores electrolytes, and balances blood pressure, stabilizing energy and circulation after sex. Avocado is also rich in vitamin B6 and magnesium, nutrients that directly affect your nervous system and mood. B6 helps produce serotonin and dopamine, while magnesium relaxes muscles and nerves, helping you unwind naturally. With vitamin E, folate, and antioxidants, it reduces inflammation, supports heart health, and improves blood vessels, critical for lasting performance. Countless patients tell me adding avocado made their recovery smoother, energy last longer, and eliminated crashes. That's biology, not magic. To feel strong again after intimacy, skip sugary drinks and junk. Half an avocado provides energy, electrolytes, circulation, and calm. But how you eat it makes all the difference. Now, let's discuss using avocado correctly, as most guys mess this up. For real recovery, combine it smartly with protein and complex carbs to rebuild your body. My go-to post-activity meal for men over 50 is avocado and egg on whole grain toast. Avocado provides healthy fat and potassium. The egg offers protein for muscle repair, and whole grain toast delivers carbs to refuel glycogen. Eat that within 30 minutes and your energy will return quickly. For something lighter, try an avocado smoothie. It hydrates and replenishes minerals. For an extra edge, pair avocado with salmon or chicken. Salmon adds omega-3s for circulation and testosterone, while chicken provides lean protein for muscle recovery. Avocado also helps absorb vitamins from other foods. Timing matters. That 30-minute window after intimacy is crucial. Your body craves nutrients, so feed it real food, not sugar or caffeine. Even good foods can backfire if overdone. Avocado is calorie-dense. Half an avocado daily is perfect for most men. Enough to recover without overloading. Do this consistently, and in a few weeks, you'll notice better sleep, recovery, and stamina. Bottom line, you don't need expensive pills or miracle supplements. Just give your body the right tools to rebuild naturally. Every time you're intimate, your body uses energy and nutrients. Not replenishing them is like driving a car without refueling. Sooner or later, you'll feel the drop in energy, mood, and confidence. But if you take that 30-minute window seriously and provide healthy fats, potassium, vitamins, and hydration, you'll recover faster. You'll feel younger, steadier, and more alive. Avocado represents the habit of recovery. It's the quiet moment after, when you take care of yourself for every tomorrow you still want to enjoy. Next time you feel drained, don't reach for caffeine or junk. Reach for something that truly rebuilds you from the inside. Half an avocado, a little sea salt, maybe an egg on toast. That's all it takes. Men who recover right perform right. Energy, confidence, and stamina aren't lost with age. They're lost with neglect. Treat your recovery as your secret weapon. I'm Dr. Amelia Hayes. If this was helpful or you have questions, drop a comment below. I read every one personally. Take care of your body, respect your energy, and I'll see you in the next one.